Let's get you the good news. The 10-day Ganpati festival now comes to an end today as devotees flock to various temples and pandals in huge numbers through the day for the last darshan of their beloved deity. From teary eyes to the last bhog, people were seen offering prayers to Lord Ganesh across the country. Scenes were particularly electrifying in Maharashtra, where Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated on a mega scale. Special traffic advisories have also been put into place in Mumbai amid the mega Visarjan ceremony. The Mumbai civic body has taken several precautionary measures to facilitate the festivities for people. So that's the concluding day of all the festivities, now culminating, of course, Lord Ganesh being bid farewell today, but huge grand celebrations across the country. Those visuals on your screens, of course, from across the country, where devotees have been saying their last goodbye to Lord Ganesh. Let me go across to my colleague Srishti, who is presently in Mumbai. She is, in fact, amid all the grand celebrations that are happening today. Srishti, it is a big day. It is a big day for those who believe, who follow Lord Ganesh, and who today will bid their last goodbye to their beloved Lord Ganesh. Get us all that is happening there in the city. Get us all the festivities.
Well, right now where we are present is at Girgaon Chowpatty, and it's magnificent over here. You can see in the visuals the amount of people gathered over here, the huge, magnificent, beautiful idols which are passing by towards the Chowpatty for the immersion. People are saying goodbye to their beloved God Ganesh, and you can see that these people who are present over here, they have came from far off to just say goodbye to the Lord Ganesha. And if we talk about the entire festivity in the entire city, the Lal Bagh Sa Raja will be coming here itself around midnight is what we can expect, and several other big Ganeshas comes here for immersions. However, now if we talk about the police deployment and the security measures been taken by Mumbai Police, several teams of Mumbai Police are on ground. They are also keeping an eye that no untoward incident should happen. Also, more than 40 DCPs are on ground. Several other officials are also on ground. If we talk about the deployment at Chowpatty, there are ambulances at place. There are lifesavers at place who will be guarding the entire course. But of course, these are the festivities which one can witness here at Girgaon Chowpatty. Look at this particular idol of Ganesha, and one can just look and understand that how magnificent this has been made. This is Lower Pararsa Raja, and that's the exact festive vibe which we can catch on ground is what we can witness. You can see the sea of people over here at present, where we are present at Girgaon Chowpatty, and this crowd will keep on increasing as the time passes. Several other Ganeshas will come here for the immersion. Today is the last day, the 10th day of the Ganesh festival, which we celebrate across country, and especially in Maharashtra. It's huge, it's magnificent, and that's what one can witness here in Mumbai. People from all walks of life just celebrate this particular festival to understand the vibe, to understand the feeling that is present over here. And of course, these idols, this procession of Lord Ganesha is a once-in-a-year moment for every Mumbaiker, which they really don't want to miss. And that's what one can witness here at Lal Bagh Sa Raja. I beg your pardon, at Girgaon Chowpatty. But yes, of course, a magnificent view from Girgaon Chowpatty is what we can witness.